Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install. It is absolutely glorious outside, so I've got to apologise for a lot of the sun reflection coming in on the car today. Nothing we can do about that, so I'm just going to give you a little short video on the system, which is our RBT5753 model. Now, a good thing with this system, it will fit the CD400s, 300s and anything above the 500s. So as you can see, this has got the Navi 900 today. Now the CAN bus does differ on the cars with the larger screen to the smaller one, so obviously you just need to ensure that you purchase the right one for the car, which will have a little drop down box, which is car model A for the basic red screen, small monochrome ones, and model B for the cars with the navigation and the large screen type. So just make sure you order the right one. Okay, so this is the OEM style system. As you can see, as there was a lot of videos on our YouTube channel for the Tesla style and the large vertical screen which is in front of the dash. So this just comes with our OEM style. So what you will get with the system is this screen here. Obviously you use all the original air vents there which pop out of the old frame and clip into ours. All these buttons here are the original. This is the frame obviously which comes with the system, so the screen, all this frame comes with it. Also, what you also get is if you pull this central panel out here, you're left with a big massive metal box which is the CD hardware box. You pull that out and you put our metal hardware box in there, which is basically comes a DVD and CD insert. So obviously when you put your discs into this part here, you can now play DVDs on the top screen. As you can see, good thing with this customer who wanted it, he did order the Tesla style screen, but because he had the VXR and the sports button here, then obviously the Tesla screen, there's no place for them. So obviously if you do have these buttons here, then obviously the best system to order will be this one here, because I'll say all these buttons still work. All these buttons still work with the original car. So if you're pressing the tone, config, info. So as you can see, all these buttons down here, radio, this will all take you to the radio button. I say all these buttons down here will still work. I say I'll just increase the sound. There you go. Just need to tune in the radio stations, which we'll do shortly. Okay, so I'll just take it onto the system now. So excuse me a little shakiness on the videos because I'm using a handheld device today to take the phone, which may not be stable, but apologies. This is the home page here. It will change background color determined on the time of day for nighttime color as well as daytime. This is the daytime settings. As you see, the home page here, you got your navigation, radio, music, video settings. This takes you into the back end settings, which obviously set up your networks and card information and stuff like that. Radio, self-explanatory. Navigation, you can download any map of choice. So if you want Google Maps or Waze or Copilot and stuff like that, then obviously you can download it from the Play Store, which I'll show you in a moment, and then obviously you can assign to that button. Music and video. Okay, so if you want to put your music and video onto an SD card or a USB pen, you can actually put it on there. It comes with a USB cable which you've put in the glove box today, and the SD card readers down here, so obviously you can put your movies on that way, play through them apps there. Okay, slide across to here, a couple of shortcuts for Bluetooth, music, music streaming, DVR camera if you put it in today, AV in, so if you want to put like a TV box into it, amplifier takes you through to here. Also gallery, wheel study calculator, not really needed. Okay, this is your CarPlay app here, which is your Android Auto one. Now these are optional on the system, so you will need to add this in checkout or in the sale page. There's an options box in there which you need to add, so just bear that in mind. DVD, which is for the disc down there, Gmail, APK installer, Google Maps, screen mirroring. Now we never promote this one, the only reason being is because it's getting phased out, so it might be okay for one phone, not for another. The more you update your operating system, the less compatible it will be, because the factories are putting all their money into CarPlay and not into the middle link app. So you'll find that may work, may not. So obviously don't expect it to work. Just obviously it might be a bonus anyway. Play Store, everyone knows what that is. So obviously it's an app store. Now a lot of people think to themselves, oh, I've got an Apple phone, it's not going to work with the system because it's Android. Doesn't mean that whatsoever. Android's only the operating system where you download apps to, and obviously you go into the Play Store and not the Apple App Store. So obviously just it'll work fine with music streaming, Wi-Fi tethering, Bluetooth, and on some phones the mirror link will be fine on Apple, so don't worry about that. YouTube, that's a new one. Don't ask me what that is, I've never seen that before, so it's something that's being added to it, so I'll have a little look into that and let you know in due course. Okay, another little thing is about your vehicle settings here, which is good. So obviously you'll have a lot of information about the canvas information on the car, So that's a nap there, that'll show that. Control settings, as you can see, this will offer you a lot of the control settings of actually the car's buttons and down, cool seats, and I'll just slowly go down there so you can have a little look. There you go. There's a lot more to it than I expected. Got a little bit quicker. Sorry about this, guys. Customer's just waiting to go. Okay, so go back to that one there. DAB radio. This is a China map they've added on there, which is obviously okay. There's no more apps that way, so it's obviously back to there. Okay, so yeah, we put a rear camera in today, which is, let me just double check. I know, 1 second. This is an automatic. So there's the rear camera that we stuck on there, and also you can see the sensors working too. Let's back into forward. Okay, it goes back to there, and there's your sensors. Okay, hope you liked the video, guys. Any questions, give us a shout. We'll put all our contact details down below in the description, and all our we'll put a link to the product and all. Okay, you have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.